Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: your Dialog SIM, enough balance to pay the package, and a stable mobile signal. Once done, open the phone dialer or the My Dialog app. Both methods work. Make sure mobile data is enabled so the service can provision correctly. If using UST, prepare the correct activation code. If using the app, log in with your number. This gets you immediately into the activation flow and prevents common failures from insufficient balance or poor signal. You now perform the activation, dial the provided UST code, or navigate in My Dialog to offers then night packages. Choose the exact night plan that matches hours and data allowance. Read the validity and price before confirming. Once you select it, follow prompts and send the confirm response. This authorizes the charge. If using the app, tap Activate and accept permissions. Make sure to wait for the SMS confirmation, which serves as proof of activation and includes start time and expiry. You finish by verifying the SMS confirmation and watching for the package start time. Night packages typically activate at the designated hour, so be patient. If activation fails, recheck your balance, ensure a strong signal, and retry the UST or app after 10 minutes because provisioning can be delayed. If problems persist, reboot the phone and confirm APN settings remain default. Finally, contact Dialog support via 1717 or in-app chat with the S.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.